Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. My dear students, today in this video we are going to study about different kinds of painting in chapter 14, that is our art. We know that India has a variety of painting traditions with distinct styles. Almost every region, state and culture has a painting style of its own. So here is a list of some Indian style of painting and match them with place of origin, means from where it is started. Here you can see different types of painting names are given, that is Madhubani, Varli, Tanjore, Kalamkari, Pithora, Patua, Pattachitra, Pichwas and Fadas. And here, did you know a mural is any type of artwork? It is an artwork, that is name of mural, is any piece of artwork painted or applied directly on the wall, ceiling or any large permanent surface. Here you can see, my dear students, different types of painting styles shown on your screen. Pictures of different types of painting. Here number 1 is B. Clues are given. You have to choose the name from the clues. Here first one is B and your answer is Mithila, that is located in Bihar. So first painting is belong to Bihar and that is Madhubani painting and it is also known as Mithila. So let's study about Madhubani painting. Madhubani art or Mithila painting is a style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila region of the Indian subcontinent. This painting is done with a variety of tools including fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pens and matchsticks and using natural dyes and pigments. It is characterized by its eye-catching geometrical pattern. There is ritual content for particular occasion such as birth of marriage and festival such as Holi, Surya Sasti, Kali Puja, Upanyana and Durga Puja. So this is all about Madhubani painting. Now the next one is, that is B. Your answer is F. Picture number 2. Your answer is F, that is Maharashtra. This painting is belong to Maharashtra and this painting name is Varli. Okay? Varli. Now let's study about the painting Varli. Here you can see Varli painting is a style of tribal art created by the tribal people from the North Sahyadri range in Maharashtra, that is located in India. This range encompasses cities such as Dahanu, Talasari, Johar, Palghar, Mokhada and Vikramgarh of Palghar district. This tribal art was originated in Maharashtra where it is still practiced today. Now look at the Varli painting in Mysore. Now the third one is Tanjore and third one is Tanjore and your answer is C, that is Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. It is in Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Let's study about the painting Tanjore. Thanjavur painting is a classical South Indian painting style which was inaugurated from the town of Tanjore, that is Tanjore. The art form draws its immediate resources and inspiration from way back about 1600 AD, a period when the Nayakas of Tanjore, under the suzerainty of Vijayanagara Rayas, encouraged art, chiefly classical dance and music as well as literature, both in Telugu and Tamil, and painting of chiefly Hindu religion subjects in temples. It is distinguished by its famous gold coating. However, it can safely be summarized that Tanjore painting, as we know it now, originated in the Marathas court of Tanjore in 1676 to 1855. It has been recognized as a geographical indication by the government of India in 2007 and 8. This is all about Tanjore painting. Now the next one is Kalamkari. Kalamkari, you can see the picture here, and your answer is A, that is Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh. This is very famous painting of Andhra Pradesh. Now let's study about this painting, that is Kalamkari. Here Kalamkari is a type of hand painted or block printed cotton textile produced in Isfahan and indicated state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Only natural dyes are used in Kalamkari and it involves 23 steps. There are two distinctive styles of Kalamkari art in India: Sri Kalahasti style and the Machilipatnam style. The Sri Kalahasti style of Kalamkari, wherein the kalam or pen is used for freehand drawing of the subject and filling in the colors, is entirely hand worked. This style flowered around temple and their patronage are so hard and almost religious identity. Scrolls, temple hangings, chariots, banner and the like depict deities and scenes taken from the Hindu epics Ramayana, Mahabharata, Purana and the mythological classics. This style owes its present status to Kalam Devi Chattopadhyay, who popularized the art as the first chairperson of All India Handicrafts Board. This is all about Kalamkari painting. Now the next one is Patachitra. Again, I am repeating it, that is belong to Odisha. And here Patachitra is a general term for traditional cloth based scroll painting based in the eastern Indian state of Odisha and West Bengal. Patachitra art form is known for its intricate detail as well as mythological narrative and folk tales inscribed in it. Patachitra is one of the ancient artwork of Odisha, originally created for ritual used as souvenir for pilgrims to Puri as well as other temples in Odisha. Patachitra are the component of an ancient Bengali narrative art, originally serving as a visual device during the performance of a song. Now the next one is about 8-1. Pichwals and fathers. Here this is all about, here you can see 8-1, that is, your answer is E. That is Rajasthan. Pichwals and fathers. Here Pichwais and fathers. Pichwai and fathers. Also Pichwai are large devotional Hindu painted pictures normally on clothes which portrayed Krishna. They are mainly made to hang in Hindu's temple of the Pushti Marg devotional tradition, especially the Sri Nathji temple in Nathdwara, Rajasthan, built around 1672. They are hung behind the idol of Sri Nathji, a located form of Krishna and the center of Pushti Marg worship that depict his Leelas. Aurangabad was another area associated with them. The purpose of Pichwais, other than artistic appeal, is to narrate tales of Krishna to the illiterate. Temples have set with different images which are changes according to the calendar of festival celebrating the deity. So this is about the Pichwai temple, that is Father's temple. My dear students, today we have studied about the different type of temples, that India has variety of painting tradition and distinct styles, we know that, and every region, state and culture have different type of style of its own. So here we have read about different types of painting and from where they belongs to, and we also know about the traditions of different types of painting and from where this is originated. We are also studied in this video. My dear students, please read it once again, watch it once again, and please do comment in the comment section for your attendance. I hope you will do your homework at your home and you will learn your chapter at your home. I am going to stop here. Thank you so much. God bless you.